Hi guys, I'm Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and we're back for a third time to run this part again. So I have modified my motors, power supply, wiring, firmware, and I am able to achieve 235 inches a minute on my Langmuir Systems MR-1. Now, that's what I did on the last one. Now this time I decided let's double the ramp rates to see if we can get more performance out of the MR-1. So we're going to run this part again, and this time instead of 30,000 step over, I'm going to do 60,000 step over. So we're going 3/4 of an inch deep. We're doing 60,000 step over, 8,000 RPMs, and 235 inches a minute. So let's go ahead and kick this program off. So it worked, and it worked really well. Lots of removal of material in a really short amount of time. I do still need to upgrade my Z-axis motor. You can tell that's still going factory speed at 40 inches a minute. I have the motor, and I will update that. And once I get that new motor installed on the Z-axis, we'll turn up the Z and see what else we can do. Anyways, guys, actually, let me give you a close-up of the part here. Blow that off real quick. So we have a wonderful, wonderful surface finish. It's a roughing end mill, so you do see the chip breaker lines, but they're very subtle. Let me just quick pull this out of the vise so you guys can see it up close. Super, super smooth. Yeah. So, with a little bit of mods, this is just a small example of what you can do if you have a great backbone. The real limit on the MR-1 is the motors and the power supply and the programming. So, if you get over those hurdles, it's extremely capable.